Good morning, Dan with Country Creek Builders. We are back in Lakeville. I wanted to bring you back into this kitchen remodel that we recently finished and show you what an amazing transformation that this kitchen project was. So over here we added a wet bar that did not have a sink. So we had to update the plumbing in that area, and we also relocated the main kitchen sink over by the window. And if you look over there, you notice that that window is a new upgraded window. So the previous window was a standard double hung window. This window actually will lift open, so there's a serving counter on the outside, which is a really amazing feature for this project. I'm standing here by the island, and it's a very nice island. It's a lot larger than the previous island, and that is something that the homeowners wanted with this design. The island cabinets are painted, and the rest of the cabinets in this kitchen are maple natural with a shaker style door. So it's a combination of a maple cabinet and a painted cabinet, which is a really nice feature. With this kitchen transformation, we had to redo the hood vent, so we had to locate it in this place. You can see from the appliances in this project, they're high-end appliances that were all purchased from All Inc. It's a great company that we use for our kitchen projects. So if you're looking for appliances, that's a great source to go to as far as high-end appliances. And behind me is a bar area. Previously, the fridge was located in this corner. This kitchen is really designed for entertainment. So this is a wet bar. We have an ice maker here that has a finished cabinet front, which is a really nice feature. And then we have an under cabinet fridge over here for the beverage center. So between the two, you got a sink, beverage fridge, and an ice maker. This is the ideal setup for entertaining. All the upper cabinets that are glass have LED lighting in it, which is a really nice feature. It's really a cool mood setter when you are in the house and you maybe don't want all the lights on for the kitchen. You can have those lights on as accent lights. And again, that goes to my theory of different layered lightings on our projects, which really brings a nice feel and look to the project. This is the window that we replaced. It was a special order window that will lift up. We also added a serving counter on the outside, which is by the deck. It's a really nice feature, so I have to show you how this window opens because it is so amazing. It is something that people are starting to do more and more. When you're hiring a contractor for your project, make sure that they take into account the little things. At Country Creek Builders, we really truly believe that the little things do matter, and I want to bring your attention to how we do our toe kick registers and our cabinets. A lot of companies will just put a metal register cover over it. We actually CNC machine the toe kick so it looks really professional. I think that's just a little extra touch that Country Creek Builders brings to your project. And again, the extra things make the finished product so much nicer. Here we have an appliance garage with a lift-up door, which is a really nice feature. Again, the little things matter when you work with Country Creek Builders. Here we are in the corner by the wet bar. I also wanted to bring your attention to the fact that we have an espresso machine that was designed for this project. It's a really nice extra touch, a nice way to make this kitchen transformation spotless. Also, we have a drawer microwave. Those are becoming more and more popular. If you're considering remodeling your kitchen, I really would consider looking at that. The days of putting a microwave on the counter are now long gone. Microwaves used to be above the oven. That's also gone. Now we put them in the island, and it is a drawer microwave, which is a really nice feature. As part of this project, we did have to redo the wood flooring in here, so we did patch it in. It's an oak flooring. We finished it on the whole main level and then finished it with a natural finish. As far as the lighting on this project, we have the lighting above the island. All our upper cabinets have under cabinet lighting, which is LED lighting. All the glass cabinets on the uppers also have LED puck lights in them, and it's a really nice feature. We do have recessed lights around the perimeter, and we also have a light fixture above the sink. So it really gives you that layered light and a very bright feel for when you're working in the kitchen. So when this couple reached out to us regarding their kitchen remodel, we had a history working with them in the past on their master bathroom and family room. So they were familiar with our processes. So when we first started designing this kitchen, the most important part for the design was the entertainment. They want to entertain. They are backed up to a golf course. They have a lot of people over. So that was kind of the function and the design process for this project, was to make sure that it worked for their entertainment needs. So when you're looking at remodeling your home, whether it's a kitchen, bathroom, basement, anything with an existing home, Country Creek Builders specializes in that, and you can see from the quality of our work that we do it very well. So when you're ready to talk to us, give us a call at 952-484-9812 or shoot me an email at dan@countrycreekbuilders.com.